Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In today's walkthrough, we're diving into the purchasing module inside Elite Technique, your streamlined hub for managing vendors, requesting quotes, converting them into purchase orders, and tracking shipments until products arrive at your warehouse. From assigning vendors to products, to keeping all your purchasing details organized in one place, this module ensures your process stays efficient, accurate, and stress-free. Think of it as the perfect system to keep all your ducks in a row, giving you visibility and control over every step of your purchasing journey. Let's get started. In Elite Technique, all products, all the way down to the variant level, have in them a purchase tab/module where you can list the vendor you buy your products from. Before we can assign a vendor to a product, this vendor first has to be created in the system as a contact. For more information on how to create a company/vendor contact, please refer to our How to Create a Company/Vendor Contact video. When in the Products or Product Variants page, as always, click on Edit to begin listing the vendors. Add the price of the product and the delivery lead time if you have this information. If you click on the three little dots next to delivery lead time, you'll find some extra fields you can add to have more vendor information filled in. These are the extra fields you can add to the vendor information section. Product variant, vendor product name, vendor product code, start and end date, quantity, and the one already selected, delivery lead time. Don't forget to hit save to complete the process. Now that we have listed our vendors with all the information that we need, we may now utilize the purchasing app, which is the little credit card icon located in the left drop-down menu. Enter and we will be on the request for a quotation section where we can ask our vendors for a quote. Click on create to build a request for quotation, RFQ. Enter the vendor and the products you want quoted with all the information requested. You may enter the date on which you would like to receive your products and also the deadline. Then click on Send by Email to send your request directly from Elite Technique to the vendor. Here's where the chatter and log notes section comes in real handy. When the quote from the vendor comes back, you can attach it to the RFQ in the log notes section, which we can view and use almost anywhere in the system. It's always located on the right side of the screen. If you're happy with the quote, you can click on Confirm Order and convert the quotation into a purchase order and manually track the status of the shipment of your products unless you have internal communication with the vendor via our chatter section. Like mentioned earlier, this is really handy. When you receive your products, just click on Receive Products. That is how we utilize the purchase module/tab in Elite Technique from a broad perspective. There are some more advanced features like presetting your system to make purchases for you. If that is your case, please book a training session with us to explain things like these in more depth. Thank you very much.